Just starting out, this video is for you. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer Sargeant. I am the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I own a digital marketing agency right outside the Orlando area. And if you're watching this video today, it's because you just launched your business. Congratulations. And now you're probably like, well, how do I do this whole marketing thing? And how do I get people to find my business and choose me? So here is what you're going to do. Number one, you're going to go to ChatGPT. You're going to go to Google. You're going to go to some search engine, and you're going to say, I just launched type of business. What do people look for when hiring this type of business? You essentially need to figure out what people are searching to find your competitors. What are their problems and how can you help them? Then you're going to put together a social media content calendar. You are going to be creating content at scale and you're going to love it. Maybe not, but you know it's important. You know you need to do it. So the next thing you're going to do is create content. Problem solution content is the best content. It helps build authority and trust with your audience. Then you're going to humanize your brand. We need to see you doing the thing. We need to see you doing the business service that you're going to offer. And we need to see your face because that's what builds trust, especially on the local level. And then you need to get reviews. And you need to get reviews everywhere. So you could be saying, I don't have any clients. How many get reviews? You get clients. Whatever the service is that you're offering, you chase down your family, you chase down your friends, and you say, let me do this thing for you. And if you think it is good quality, will you please leave me a review? And you better do it. So those are some of the basic things that you need to do before you hire somebody like me. You can likely look into, doing paid ads, getting more brand awareness out there. But the beautiful thing is that when business owners take the bull by the horn in this approach, they learn immediately what works and what doesn't work for their business and helps them propel them faster when it comes to hiring somebody. And if you're wondering, why didn't she mention a website? Yes, you need a website. Websites these days are far more accessible than ever before. You can get them on Squarespace. We can build you one really quickly. I'm a Squarespace partner. Just throwing that out there. You'll get a nice discount. But you do need that as well. So if you have any questions on getting started, ask them below. Would love to help you. I get this question a lot, but the main thing that you need to do is question and answer content, show your face, build trust and authority, get a website and get reviews. That is the foundation of getting started.